Hello again, my friends. You see my Toyota Prius 3 start developing a kind of rattle, the motor was shaking at low speeds, low RPM in fact, and normally I change the plugs, same story, and checking the internet, and thank you so much guys, all of you. I found the manifold and the EGR problem behave like that. So finally today I had enough time, and here we are with the manifold out, and you can see these guys here, they should be open. No way, it's clogged, really clogged, but really clogged. I think this manifold never disassembled, and looking in there, it's absolutely clogged. So my approach will be with some EGR cleaner. In fact, I'm gonna push some of this first inside here, and then I'll use some water pressure to clean the manifold. Well, I forgot to tell you about, you see, everything that the humans are making, even fixing things, it needs a blood sacrifice. Here we are. That's my blood sacrifice for today. And, always use gloves. I didn't. Guys, this is horrible. Look there. My goodness, it's effectively clogged. I'm pretty sure this never been cleaned. Never ever. And this car have like 200,000 kilometers already. It's from 2012. Of course, no doubt why it was behaving so bad lately. Oh, look there. it's crazy. This one was clogged. This one same. This one was free, kind of, but this one was also obturate. Okay. Coming out? Yes, of course. It's ready here. Water on. Nice. Yes, perfect. That should be all. Yes, it's clean. Very good shape. Beautiful. And it's time to put it back in the car. Of course, new gasket here for the manifold. There we are. Be careful. Here we have some, you see these little tits. That should be in the right position. You see, look there. Everything is so clean. But something before that, let me have the EGR pipe out and clean that too, because it's pretty gloggy. Okay, so the EGR is clean now, as much as I could, without taking it out. I just sprayed something like this and pushed the screwdriver in here. So it's pretty clean, I may say. And I took also some spray inside here, so it's pretty okay for now. And of course now it's time to clean this guy, which obviously it's dirty, really dirty. Like tons of earth, of dirt here. Oh my. Look there, people. It's amazing. So there's no doubt why this car of mine, it was behaving so weird in the last weeks. I put some spray in here and let it there to do the job. So don't get shy to get dirty. Oh yes. Well guys, now it's factory clean, no doubt. I can see the metal shining in there. Of course, it should be better if you can find a brush, you know, that kind of metallic brush, but I don't have it. But anyway, with this kind of spray, especially for EGR, I think we have the job done. It's clean. Now, okay, this is clean. We have this gasket, and this should go like that in here. Obviously, should stay there. Okay, we don't need this. Let me put it back. What is it, 12? Oh yes, 12. Okay, time to get the manifold like that. Let's not forget this down here first. Okay, secure, done. Let's not forget this, guys. You see, that's for blocking cooling liquid to go out from the system. This is the old gasket, not too tight. We'll fix the position later. Okay. Okay, there we go. And then one here. Alright. And another one here. 12 millimeters. Manifold back in place. You don't have to tie it really hard. Okay, now let's bring back this guy. This one is not dirty, but let's clean it a little bit. Good enough. Factory clean almost. All right, so let's get this back in place. Okay, the gasket is there. V40 on the contacts doesn't hurt. Screws, 2 long ones. Number 10. Okay, not too tight. Should be enough. We have a rubber gasket there, so that keeps everything nice. Beautiful. Okay, all these pipes back in place. Which is which? I think this one comes here. Okay, right there. And let's have the positioning, the locking key in here. Perfect. There we have a connector for the intake, for the air here. Goes like that. And here we have the other cooling pipe. Yeah. Perfect. So this connector back in place. This should go there. This one goes up there. Everything is fine. Here, let me have the gasket that's in place. I need this metallic one also in place. And the vagabond one went very nice under the car. Okay, let's put it here. Number 10. Perfect. And the other guys here. So I got two. One here. One up here. No more battery to my GoPro. Yeah. Okay, so let's get this connector back in here. Perfect. And we have a little pipe that should go in here. And this one down there. Okay. This one and the connector up here, and everything is fine. This goes in there to have a place for that. All the connectors back in place. All we have to do now, this one it's okay. This one should be on the air intake. Okay, let's put the filter and right there. Okay. Okay, there we go. Perfect positioning. Yeah. Like always, I forgot something. So I forgot that bracket there. which explains why I still have a screw left over. Okay. That's it. Perfect. You don't really need to put them too high, tie them too much. Everything here is rubber and plastic. This one here. Oh, I forgot to tell you, but I disconnected the battery, the high voltage battery, and 12 volt one. I'm tired. Yeah, this is still okay. Have to go inside here. It's the MUF, the airflow sensor, which comes down here, of course. And everything's fine. The last thing I have to do is to get this tied here. Everything's fine. All the things are back. Yeah, the main battery on. Okay. Let's go here. High voltage battery on. You see, here is a trick. Push this in, then take it down and slide it right. If you don't, then you have no power to the car. And of course, what do you think? Is it starting or not? Yes, everything is fine, people. Yeah, you can hear the motor running nice around. Everything's so fine. Beautiful sound, isn't that? That's it for today. Dirty hands, okay. I did a great job. I was a little bit concerned, because it takes a lot of time, and it's my first time when I did that. This is not a tutorial. I just want to show you what I have done. And so far, it's looking good, sounds perfect. I have to see how it behaves, but I'm pretty sure it will be everything fine for at least 100,000 kilometers. Okay, see you soon in some other projects, and don't forget, subscribe, like, and have fun. Bye bye.